The Earth moves around the Sun. What is the model of the Earth called? A globe. What does the stick through the Earth represent? The Earth's axis. What causes day and night? The Earth turning on its axis once every 24 hours. Earth revolves or moves around the Sun. The path the Earth travels in around the Sun is called an orbit. The orbit is shaped a bit like an egg. This shape is called an ellipse. The orbit is not a perfect ellipse, so scientists call it a slight ellipse. Because of the shape of the orbit, the Earth is sometimes closer to the Sun and sometimes further away from the Sun. Each and every planet has its own orbit. The Earth moves around the Sun in an anti-clockwise direction. It takes 365 and a quarter days or 1 year for the Earth to complete its orbit around the Sun. In that time, Earth has traveled 940 million kilometers. The Sun is bigger than the Earth. The Sun is bigger than the Earth, so the Sun exerts a bigger gravitational force on the Earth than the Earth does on the Sun. Here's a list of questions for an activity, and the answers have been given on the right-hand side. Seasons. The seasons are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Seasons are caused by the Earth orbiting the Sun once a year and tilt of the Earth's axis. Each season occurs when the Earth is at a particular position in its orbit around the Sun. Northern Hemisphere and the Southern Hemisphere. The months that you experience each season depends on which hemisphere you live in. Countries between the equator and the North Pole are in the Northern Hemisphere, and the countries between the equator and the South Pole are in the Southern Hemisphere. When the Northern Hemisphere has summer, the Southern Hemisphere has winter. This is because the Northern Hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun. In summers, the days are long and the nights are short. At the equator, there are no distinct seasons. There is equal day and equal night on every day of the year. Look at the diagram of the positions of Earth each month in its orbit around the Sun. In the given diagram, find Earth in its June position. Because of the tilted axis, notice that the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun. This means the northern hemisphere has more daylight than darkness. And that also means the northern hemisphere is having summers. The southern hemisphere is tilted away from the Sun, and that is why it has winters. When Earth is in the March position, notice that the whole Earth is facing towards the Sun. As the Earth rotates on its axis, all the Earth will be facing away from the Sun. Both the hemispheres have the same amount of day and night. Here's another activity with the questions given below, and the answers have already been written on the right side. Different seasons in different parts of the world. Look at the diagram below, which shows the Earth in its December position in its orbit around the Sun. You can notice that the Earth is facing the Sun is having day, and the side of the Earth facing away from the Sun is having night. The tilted axis causes the southern hemisphere to be tilted towards the Sun and the northern hemisphere to be tilted away from the Sun. The South Pole region is having continuous daylight. Here's the last activity for this unit, along with the questions and answers.